Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset your password in Unibet, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First of all, you need to search for Unibet in Google. Now right after that you will be able to see a link at top on in the screen where you just need to click on it and you will be redirected to the official page of Unibet where you can see login option at top right corner. You just need to click on it and you will be able to see login section where you can see forgotten passwords on in the screen. Just click there and you'll be able to see it is asking us for our email address. You just simply need to give your email address and click on send and verify your email address. Once you verify it, you will be able to reset your password successfully. So basically this is how you can reset your password in Unibet, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.